Hi everyone, I'm back with a little haul from a garage sale of all places. I stopped there thinking, usual household stuff, what have you. But this lady was cleaning out her sister's house, and apparently her sister was a big crafter. And so she does not craft, and so she was selling off all her sister's craft stuff. And this was just the stuff that she had outside and marked. She said she just called me in a week or two, and I could come over and look through all the rest of the stuff and see if there was anything else that I wanted. And so it was like, yes, here's my phone number. But anyway, let's get started. Let's start with the stamps. The first stamp set I got was this one for $2. And this one, here, you can see what they are on this side. Never been used. Gorgeous, gorgeous stamp set. And it was $2. All of these were $1 or $2 for the majority. I thought this one was really cute for Christmas. Again, maybe this one's been used, but most of them have never been used, which is just crazy, but I'm sure I have plenty of stamps I've never used. Excuse me. I thought this one was really cool. The pendulum on it. So I grabbed that one. I grabbed this one, the geometric. It's a cute little one for $1. This was a package of 2, so these were $1 a piece. But look at these, they're very retro. And then that one, a Voyage one, Bon Voyage. This one's just some random background stuff to put on. But again, look, they're like brand new. They've been used only a time or two. This one I thought was really pretty, so I paid $3 for it. These size stamps here are usually about 12 bucks. If you're lucky, you can get them on sale at Hobby Lobby and places. But I thought this one was kind of cool for backgrounds and everything. Let me open it up and we'll look at it a little better. Hi. These are just the foam back ones, but they're a little Christmassy. That one kind of looks like the Disney Castle. What's that one? Oh, wedding one. And these are polar bear in a background. These are just some cool background stamps. What's that one? Can't tell what that is. Music. Oh, it's music notes. That one's pretty. Flowers. And then that one. Then let's move these over here out of the way. And then I will show you the stamps. Now, stamps, the stickers. She had tons and tons, and I just touched on it. I found these two I thought were pretty cool. They're little tags, but they are sticky. So I grabbed those. This is a little iron-on for Paris. Oh, there's another one of those quarter ones for Paris. This is a London one for $1. All of these were for $1. I loved this one. The stamps and the travel. Very cool. This one. Again, it's all different kinds of stamps. I know we're picking up a terrible glare there. I think there's a couple of those, which I thought were really cool. This one's Moments, Capture in Time. The Statue of Liberty. This is a whole bag of them for $1. Let's open that up. I mean, you can go to Hobby Lobby and get stuff relatively cheap, but you can't get 5 packs of stickers for $1. That's just different cities, great adventures. That's like North Carolina, I think. Little stickers, a little charm, sailboat charm. Oh, I didn't even know those were in there. Those are cute little charms. On the road again, little Willie Nelson. Then she had these 2 little Santas. Those are adorable. Some more Paris themed stickers. Travel stickers with Paris and London and all in mind. Here's one of Big Ben. These 2 are the same, but I'm not even sure what they are. Oh, I guess you can put little pictures in them. Kind of cute. This is a Paris Collage Cuts. That's neat. All right, I think that is all of the stickers. So let me show you the papers now. The papers were 10 cents a piece. So start with this Paris one, which is quite lovely. And actually, you know what? They were 10 cents a piece, but she gave me these papers because I bought all of the stuff she had outside. And she said, oh, you can just have the papers. This is actually material, but it's like a paper. I don't know how to explain it. A couple of maps. Let me move over here. Here's some more maps. A vellum map. More of that material. It's pretty cool. Quite a bit of that material. It's another one of those Paris ones. It's a different Paris map. All these seem to be Paris, mostly. Travel. I don't know where that is. It's more travel. So, you know, for free, what can you say? Let me put these back in here, and then I'll show you these. These were packs for $1 each, and they just have different ribbons and rickrack and all that kind of fun stuff. This one, again, was $1, and it has all kinds of, sorry about that loud noise. I know that was loud. Just all different kinds of scraps of ribbons and yarns, and here are the best ribbons. More little ribbons. That's a cool one with believe, inspire, little tidbits. More ribbon. This is just some yarn. Those are really pretty. And then a little Christmas one. And then the last little bits I got was this flamingo tape dispenser. Too cute for $1. Oh, this is a charm. An Eiffel Tower charm for Paris. And then the last couple of things was this. It's actually a calendar, but all of these are what's on it. That's what I got it for, because that's really cool. Make for nice pages in a journal. And then again with the Paris ones. This is a 7 Gypsies Paris book, and I really just grabbed it because I wasn't really sure what it was. So, and I love 7 Gypsies stuff usually. I really don't know what this is supposed to do. Oh, it kind of folds out a little bit. So I guess you just journal in it how you see fit. I really don't know, or you use these pages to do what you want with. But it's kind of cool, so I grabbed that. And then I grabbed this vintage Christmas paper from K & Company. And I just love the Old World Santa. And this whole pack was for $2. So I did pretty good. Now, that is everything that I got, is this little sale. And if y'all are still watching, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.